Video part 1. Belly box equipment included with the truck. See my APU running right there. I got jumper cables and Craftsman tool set. This is a rivet nut puller. And over here I have tons of straps, some of various ratings and lengths. Blue ones and that red one are rated for heavier weights and much longer. The bar secures to the E-track as well. These blue ones are from Polaris to hook to various vehicles. Engine filter, sets of various filters, including the Gavco filters right there that I change every 10,000 miles. Some cleaning stuff that I recently bought that I just don't get to use. This here is a portable toilet. Never used. It was in case my wife ever came with me. These are just the boxes that I store some of this stuff in. These gray boxes are actually kind of expensive. They're heavy duty. You get that ladder and pretty much everything except that Gatorade in the belly box here. Various tools, torque wrenches that were never actually used, even things like a pigtail tester, which I never actually used. This set of wiring right here is for the APU. When I replaced the inverter, it came with it, but they decided that I actually have two of these Garmin's, as there's one sitting at home so my wife could use it, exact same model, working. You can have both. Kind of hot outside today. Let's go out there and look a little more at everything. CV works also. It's a 3400 HP Connex. You can see a new BGP and PPV. SRC was also done. So were the seals on the oil cooler. Radiator is brand new. Rebuilt engine with new head. Gavco, which I change every 10,000 miles. APU works, I'll show you that later. 265 gallons. Trailer with belly box. As you can see, I've got dual RightWeigh for both truck and trailer. And when you look at these tires, you're going to notice these are 16-ply Michelin X-Line steer tires in all positions. These are $900 a tire. I have the ability to secure that with an Abloy 350 lock. Open this. She's old, but she works really good because I spend a lot of money keeping her up. I forgot to mention the TPMS, which unfortunately this has a hard time recording certain types of LCD display. As you can hear, she'll start up soon. And there she goes. This TV mount I specifically designed to be able to tilt upward and do all that kind of stuff. And you'll get the TV, which is a Sony Bravia TV as well. I do have the original bunk if you want to switch it out and change back to the original config.